Satu. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests and respected colleagues, a warm welcome to presentation and our capstone project, a sign language translator app designed to empower children with disability, and the name app is Diva. We are thrilled to have you here as we embark on this journey toward fostering inclusivity and communication for all. Next. Before we presentation about this app, let's meet our dedicated team. First, Fikri Pratama as machine learning. Next, Varian Halim as machine learning, Alfa Riza Ramada as machine learning, Raka Agus Maulana as machine learning, Muhammad Nabil as cloud computing, and last, Reynaldi Gunawan as cloud computing. Next, technology exists to achieve equal right for everyone, including those with disability. But how? Next, now in Indonesia, currently the number of people with disability in Indonesia has reached to 22.97 million people, or around 8.5% of Indonesian population. Source from Kemenko MK. Next. Now we focus on speech impairment. Little data explain how many people are speech impairment, but their condition is a disability and require different treatment such as communication. Communication is something that humans really need, but if someone is born with a different way of communication because they are disabled from birth, it will cause confusion among their peers. And the bigger problem arises if someone who has this deficiency goes to a regular school where the majority of children communicate while using their mouth, while those who are different can be shown because their peers don't know how to communicate with the disability. Next. Case an article that provide evidence that this incident often occur in Indonesia. Next. Okay, let's now go to the solution to overcome this. Previously, there was an application called Hermi, providing Indonesian Sign Language translation and interpretation technology using 3D animation as access to information and communication for different. Next. Hermi has been around for a long time, so it has received a lot of comment on Play Store. And there are several comments that we use as a way to innovate in the app that we are developing. Next. There is something missing from these apps. Sign language varies from region to region, and also we have modification. Next. Comparison of apps Diva and HearMe. HearMe, Diva use a smartphone camera to detect sign language movement so that communication can occur directly. But in HearMe, use 3D animation. Learning sign language in Diva use recommend channel YouTube, and HearMe use 3D animation tutorial. UI UX in Diva segmentation for children, but in Hermi for all people. Games in Diva set quote, just let and quote, just let quote, and in Hermi loss of a game. In Diva, use the CB alphabet because the letter of the alphabet can be arranged into a sentence. And in Hermi, use Bisindo, Bahasa Isyarat Indonesia. Next. Okay. Implementation, our team used several features to communicate with the speech impaired and include live detect sign language, quote, recommendation channel learn sign language, and the last UI UX for children. Okay, for cloud computing will be explained from Mr. Nabil.
Okay, for implementation in cloud computing, we use a MySQL database to storage data. In our MySQL database, there are two tables. The first table is used for recommendation, while the second table is used for login, registration, and general profile. This MySQL database is configured to store data input from both recommendation and general profile. The database is named DBCB, and the attribute in the recommendation table include ID, title, description, video URL, and image URL. In the profile database, in the profile table, include ID, name, email, password, gender, that of both and profile image. On the API server, I provide get, post, put, and delete methods. The get method is used to display YouTube videos from the database. The, the post method is used to create new attribute in the database. The put method is used to modify database content, and the delete method is used to remove content from the database. And we use Node.js and Express to development framework. The API server endpoint will be hosted on Cloudrun. On Cloudrun will provide a response URL. Okay, for the next presentation from machine learning, Alfarisa Ramadan.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Wabat Nabil, for the presentation. And for the general workflow for machine learning part, the main feature that DIFA app presents in here, mainly where, as we can see here, it involves the first one is involves the collection of our data, and for this purpose, our team turned to Kaggle website, and our dataset comprise image of CB alphabet with the ultimate goal to create a model that accurately classifies this image into 24 categories of alphabet. And moving on to the next step, the heart of our endeavor lies in the model building. We leverage the power of transfer learning utilizing the mobile net feature architecture. This involves fine-tuning the model to suit the nuances of our datasets. And the results speak for themselves, as we can see here in the screen, and an impressive accuracy of roughly above 95% with loss cost less than 0.2, both on training and validation data. That was the result of our training. And now the combination of our efforts in step 3 involves exporting the safe model. We take our meticulously crafted model, saved in the H5 format, and convert it into TensorFlow Lite or TF-Lite format. This step ensures that our model is ready for deployment on a variety of platforms, making it efficient and versatile. And now, the CB alphabet image classification model is now not just a concept, but tangible and deployable assets. And that's for the machine learning part. And for the mobile developer part, it will be explained by my colleague, Mr. Raka Agus Maulana. Go ahead, Mr. Raka, time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Afrijo, for explaining machine learning. I will explain mobile development. In the mobile development, have a 3 flow in the workflow. You can see the screen. One is defining idea in the flow reset color, logo, and mascot. The second flow is a prototyping. In this flow, I started to create a wireframe design and the prototype. And the last flow is implementation. In this flow, I started to design UI, creating business logic, and deploy model using TF-Lite and consuming API. Okay, next. The next is splash screen and login. The splash screen use the acute animation and combine with the DDNVV mascot, and you can create account with a Google account and or a manual account. Okay, next. The next is a GUID app. In the GUID app, you can serve additional feature, namely quotes and the channel recommendation. Okay, next. Human feature. In the human feature is the div application, namely the detection, sign language, and movement using Camera X. Next. The last is kebijakan and profile page. Beside there are also policy page that they have the target about the policy are needed. And this days are from explaining about mobile development that I return to Mr. Fikri Pratama. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Raka. Now we'll project milestone for 224. Okay, in January week 1 until 2, we will identify target user need. In January until February, we will improve child-friendly user interface design and added new model for this window. In February week 1 until 4, we will database design and user interface design detail. In March until April, implementation of object detection technology, interactive feature development, and educational content development. In May until June, we will alpha and beta testing and adjustment and finalization and official launch. In July, we will marketing and initial evaluation. Next. Okay, here is the budget breakdown for Diva app development with a budget schema one budget schema 1,500. Next. And here is the budget breakdown for Diva app development with a budget schema to $1,000. Next. Okay, in conclusion, today marks a pivotal step toward a more inclusive future. Diva app is not just a project, it's a commitment to breaking barriers and fostering communication for all. Thank you for your time and support. Together, let's make a lasting impact.